Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page. So let's start. First open the Facebook app. Now tap on three bars on top right corner and tap on Pages. Now tap on Create. Then tap on Get Started. First you have to give a name to your page. Then tap Next. Now you have to select a category of your page. You can select up to 3 categories. Then tap Next. Now you have to enter the URL to your website. If you don't have a website, mark the checkbox I don't have a website. Or you can easily skip this process by tapping on Skip on top right corner. I'll just mark the checkbox I don't have a website and then tap on Next. Now you have to add a profile picture and a cover photo, but these are not necessary, so I'll just add a profile picture. Now tap Save on top right corner. Now tap Done. And your page is now created. And here you can see your page. Now to get you started with your page, you'll see some suggestions at the bottom of the screen. And that's how you can create a page on the Facebook app. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.